A little boy once stood beside a giant tree and asked his father, "Who planted this?" His father looked up at the towering trunk and quietly replied, "No one alive remembers." The giant sequoia, scientifically known as Sequoia dendron giganteum, is the largest tree species on Earth by volume. While they naturally grow in only a narrow stretch of the western slopes of California's Sierra Nevada mountains, these giants have captured the imagination of people all over the world. Despite their enormous size, giant sequoias are surprisingly rare in the wild, with fewer than 80 naturally occurring groves remaining. Today, they are protected, celebrated, and recognized as one of the planet's greatest natural treasures. Some individuals are more than 3,000 years old, meaning they were already ancient when many of history's greatest civilizations were just beginning. Seeing a giant sequoia for the first time is almost impossible to describe. Its trunk is so massive that dozens of people can join hands and still fail to wrap around it. The bark is thick, deeply grooved, and has a rich cinnamon red color that almost glows in sunlight. Unlike many trees, its bark feels soft and fibrous rather than rough, acting as a natural shield against fire. Its branches stretch high above the forest floor, forming a narrow crown that seems to disappear into the sky. Although the leaves are small and scale-like, everything else about this tree feels monumental. A mature giant sequoia can exceed 90 meters in height and weigh well over 1,000 tons, making it the largest living organism on Earth by volume. For a tree this massive, its needs are surprisingly specific. Giant sequoias thrive in cool mountain climates with snowy winters, mild summers, and deep, well-drained soils. They love plenty of sunshine and require consistent moisture during their younger years. Ironically, one of their greatest allies is something most forests fear: fire. Low-intensity wildfires clear away competing vegetation, enrich the soil with nutrients, and even help open the tree's cones so new seeds can germinate. Without periodic fire, new generations of giant sequoias struggle to survive. Uses unlike many famous timber trees, giant sequoias are no longer valued for what can be cut from them. Instead, their greatest value lies in what they continue to provide while standing. These trees store enormous amounts of carbon, helping slow climate change while producing oxygen and supporting healthy mountain ecosystems. Their towering trunks create habitats for birds, insects, fungi, and countless other organisms. Long before tourists arrived with cameras, Native American communities lived alongside these giants and held them in deep respect. To them, these weren't just trees. They were ancient neighbors that had quietly watched over the mountains for countless generations. The outside world first became widely aware of giant sequoias during the 19th century, astonishing explorers and scientists alike. News of trees larger than anything previously imagined spread quickly across the globe. Today, famous trees like the General Sherman tree continue to remind us that nature is capable of creating monuments greater than anything humans have built. Here's where the giant sequoia becomes almost unbelievable. The largest known giant sequoia contains enough wood to build dozens of average-sized homes. Its bark can grow more than 60 centimeters thick, helping protect it from intense forest fires. Despite becoming some of the largest living things on Earth, every giant sequoia begins life from a seed no bigger than an oat flake. Growing a giant sequoia is an investment measured in generations. Young trees require regular watering, full sunlight, and fertile, well-drained soil to establish healthy roots. Once mature, they become surprisingly resilient, requiring very little maintenance beyond adequate space to grow. If planted outside their native environment, they perform best in regions with cool winters and moderate summer temperatures. Above all else, avoid planting one where space is limited. A giant sequoia never stops dreaming big. There is no traditional harvest when it comes to giant sequoias. Instead, conservationists carefully collect seeds from mature cones to support restoration projects and establish new populations. Because these trees are protected throughout their native range, the focus isn't on cutting them down. It's on ensuring they continue standing for thousands of years to come. Every seed planted today could become one of the oldest living organisms future generations will ever see. The giant sequoia is far more than the biggest tree on Earth. It's a living reminder that greatness isn't always measured by speed or success in a single lifetime. It grows slowly, it stands patiently, and century after century, it continues reaching toward the sky. Perhaps that's why standing beneath one changes people. It reminds us how brief our lives are and how extraordinary nature can be when given enough time. Tell us in the comments, which plant would you like us to cover next? And if you love learning about the fascinating world of plants, don't forget to subscribe to Plantpedia for more stories like this.